Hello, today I would like to show a new function of the LST converter provided by the Trump company. And the new function allows to read very fast the information from the files INSTALLED-PACKAGES.XML and WordFiles.dat. These files are copied from the machine control, and the files contain the information about the machine version, which is important to read in the TruTops and TruTopsBoost database to activate particular functions that are supported by a given machine. Of course, it's possible to read these data files with the known mechanism into the TruTopsBoost and TruTops software, but it takes very much time. And a faster method is to start the converter application and simply drag and drop the installed packages file where we get the information about the version read from these files, with the question if we would like to copy the contents of the result into the clipboard. When we copy it to the clipboard, we can very easily send it, for example, to the customer, or use it in normal way to input the readout versions manually in the TruTops or TruTopsBoost database. The same works with the WordFiles.dat. If I put the WordFiles.dat, then the system shows me the same. If I copy it to the clipboard, maybe I start Notepad, and in the clipboard with Ctrl V I get the result, and I can send it to the destination. Thank you for your attention.